A classic design Swiss Army knife contains many different tools intended for general or around use and can provide many solutions to everyday minor problems, or even a Swiss Army knife can keep us prepared for an emergency situation just in case. Also, a Swiss Army knife is very easy to carry it with us at any time so that it can be available at the moment we are going to need it. But there are also some Swiss Army knives that are intended for more specialized use. Swiss Army knives that have been made for professional tasks, such as the Victorinox Rescue Tool. The Victorinox Rescue Tool is the indispensable tool to break windows or cut seatbelts in emergencies. So, here we have a general purpose tool, and on the other side we have a specific purpose tool. So, how about, my friends, if we combine these two tools to create a single practical daily tool that could also be used as a rescue tool just in case? So the Victorinox Rescue Tool has a glass breaker. The glass breaker is removable. So we can replace it if needed. You can get a replacement glass breaker from any online store. You can buy the replacement glass breaker separately than the rescue tool. The price for the Victorinox glass breaker is around $3 or $4. So my friends, my idea is to modify the glass breaker from the rescue tool so that it can fit over any common Swiss Army knife. I think a spot that the glass breaker could snap is around of the can opener. So I have to adjust the glass breaker to the appropriate size and shape to fit where it is around the can opener. Something like that. So it is possible to turn any Swiss Army knife to a rescue tool, just in case. The glass breaker must be placed on the knife in such a way that the Victorinox logo on the glass breaker is on the same side as the logo on the knife scales. Because the measurements are never exact, there is always a deviation. That's why we have to leave more space than the measurement we have taken on the glass breaker. Always refer to the measurements in the video images because these measurements were taken after I tested the glass breaker fit on the knife. So now that I have removed the middle edge that was on the glass breaker, I now need to reduce the thickness of the glass breaker to fit inside the knife.
Always file the steel very little at a time and test several times until it is the right thickness, being careful not to make it any thinner than it needs to be to keep it stable on the knife. The total result of the measurement was that the length of the glass breaker should be 8.96 mm, but I will cut it longer, at least 10 mm, so that I don't make a mistake and cut it shorter, and then I will file it a little bit at the time until it fits right on the can opener. I think the thickness, the length and the size, it is alright. Now I have to give a little bit better shape over here to sit on the curve of the can opener a little bit better. I think we had a successful modification. The glass breaker fits perfectly on the knife. But there is a sharp edge, so I will cut this sharp edge to make it smoother, to avoid any risk of injury. I think the glass breaker, it snaps on the knife pretty well. It stays in place as well, so we have only to put it to the test.
It is known that the Victorinox glass breaker from the rescue tool is too effective, can break a car window for sure. In today's test we want to know how it works on a classic type Swiss Army knife, if stay in place as well, and if create a damage on our knife. Of course, I don't have available a car window, but I have a glass with the same thickness, and of course this glass doesn't had made to break, so I think the crash pressure it will be similar with a real car window. Safety is the #1 priority, so I have to wear gloves, but I want to try to break the glass without wearing gloves. I want to take the risk because in real conditions we don't have a pair of gloves available. Don't try it at home.
I will place my thumb on the bottom of the knife to avoid any possible slippage. Oops, a piece of glass stuck to my skin, but fortunately without injuring me. At first glance, it appears that the glass breaker worked without causing any damage to the knife. At last, you could hang the glass breaker on a keychain, so not any chance to lose the glass breaker, and you could have it available anytime.
So my friends, the total result is that the glass breaker is effective, it works. But if you don't strike the window exactly straight, it is possible to take off of your knife. So hanging to a lanyard because it is possible to lose it. So my friends, this is the today's video. I hope to join it. Tell me your opinions about. Until the next video, stay safe. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching.